Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw money from your eToro account. So, first is you just have to open your eToro application, or you can also visit the eToro official website. And then once you're logged into your account, just click on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. And then once you tap on that, you will see the option to withdraw funds. So just tap on that. So once you do that, you can see here the withdrawable balance. So this is the maximum amount that I can withdraw, which is the $963.61. So you just have to type in the amount at the top of how much amount of money that you're going to withdraw. So in my case, I'll just withdraw $961.61 and then just click on the continue at the bottom. So click on that. So after you do that, it will show a list of your withdraw payment method. So here are all the banks. So you can click on any of these. So in my case, I'll just go ahead and click on this Visa right here. And then after that, just go ahead and tap on submit request. Now, after you do that, it will take you to a screen where you can see the amount that you're going to receive and also the fee. So the fee is always $5. You can see it in here. And then after that, you can go ahead and close the page, and then you can also check or see the pending withdrawal request. So just go to home screen and then tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. And then from there, you can tap on withdraw funds and you can click on the pending request, and then you will see there your pending withdrawal requests. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!